Hello, I'm Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. This is my easy summer recipe series. I will have the previous recipes listed below in the description box if you'd like to check those out. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. Today's recipe is going to be pizza bombs. These are great for a family night, an appetizer, or just a quick lunch. All ingredients will be listed below in the description box. We are a family that always has cheese sticks, so for this recipe I use 2 cheese sticks, but if you like, you can use shredded cheeses. This recipe makes 8 pizza bombs, but it could be doubled so that you could feed more. You'll want to take your cheese sticks and cut them into 4 quarters so that you end up with 8 pieces. You will be using muffin tins for this recipe. I spray mine with Pam olive oil. Spray yours with whichever cooking spray you prefer. You will need 1 container of 8 crescent rolls. Start out by lining your muffin tin with 1 piece of your crescent roll dough. Today I'm going to be adding turkey pepperoni just because that is our favorite filling, but you can add whatever fillings that you prefer. The possibilities are endless. I add 2 pepperonis to the bottom of the crescent roll. I will be using marinara sauce as our filling as well. Use whatever you like. And I just add 1 teaspoon of that. Next, I add the cheese and then another pepperoni. Once you're done with the filling, all you need to do is just wrap it over and you sort of make a ball out of the dough. Just repeat this process 7 more times. Once you're done making the balls, I like to add seasonings. You do not have to do this step, but I feel like it gives it a little something extra. My favorite seasonings to add are garlic, a little bit of salt, and also some Italian seasonings. Once complete, you are going to put these in your preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. They're going to turn a golden brown on top and you'll know they're done. Now while those are baking, let's take one little second to admire my new stove. I've been waiting on this thing for over a month. It's finally come and it is probably my favorite appliance in the kitchen now. You can see that they have a nice gold toasted look to the top. That's how you know they're done. You will want to serve the pizza bombs while they're still warm so that the cheese is nice and gooey. And I like to serve these with an extra dish of marinara sauce to dip them in. I want to cut one open just so you can see what they look like on the inside, but definitely you just pick these up and pop them in your mouth. The pizza bombs have been a huge hit in my household. These are great also to make with like a homemade pizza. So I like to have like a homemade pizza and then some pizza bombs on the side. We do this on a game night or when we're watching movies. I also want to thank Kerrigan, my oldest daughter. She is the one that found this recipe and we just converted it to our own. Remember, you do not have to use pepperonis. Put whichever pizza ingredients are your favorite inside. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is having an amazing summer. Check the description box below for the recipe and your ingredients. I will also have my Instagram name in the description box if you'd like to follow me there.